Jose Marti Technical are the champions of the Jamaica Rugby Football Union Under-16 High School Boys 15s competition. However, the tournament, which ended recently, wasn't without controversy.
The initial final was to be played on March 17 between Cedar Grove Academy and Jose Marti Technical. However, the Jamaica Rugby Football Union JRFU said the game was postponed due to the inclement weather. In a statement, Cedar Grove disputed that claim, stating that Jose Marti was late for the final and as they, Cedar Grove, were already handed a trophy, refused to play the game. The JRFU said it was a misunderstanding, insisting that the final had to be played as a team would be selected from the game to compete in the upcoming Cayman Islands Junior Rugby Under-16-15 tournament. Cedar Grove Academy, without relinquishing the trophy, withdrew from the union, and the JRFU promoted Spanish Town High to play in the final after they won the third place playoff against Norman Manley 7-0. Jose Marti Technical won the final 12-7, defeating Spanish Town High. Norman Manley was promoted to third. Now the Cayman Islands Junior Rugby Under-16-15 tournament will be held from April 24 to 27. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.